We've all been there before. You're in a meeting, a movie theater, maybe even yoga, and someone's phone goes off. But whether your ringtone is generic or goofy, it says something about your personality. These New Yorkers try to dissect what their ringtones say about their personality. Jason usually has his ringtone set to vibrate, but
now I have it set to Dave Matthews Hudson.
So what does that say about him?
I like the music. But I'm not much of a ringtone guy, so this is like a big step for me.
So he doesn't use it all the time.
No. Yeah, I think he's self-conscious.
I just have vibrate because this one doesn't use the downloaded songs and I don't like the regular ones.
She'd much rather have those songs.
I always miss my calls and my text messages. I don't think it vibrates on command either.
Javier sets his ringtones to Kid Cudi and Kanye West.
There's some music that goes with your lifestyle, but it means like, I guess, like you like music, you like having music in your life.
He also has music for everyone in his life.
That's my girlfriend.
What song is it?
Devil in a New Dress.
Okay.
It just goes like how much he loves the devil. And this is my simple-headed brother. And my best friend.
It's clear melody. I'm a musician professional, so but this melody is quite clear, so I can hear it.
Alex likes to keep his ringtones in his life simple.
I like it there. So basically, I don't need the phone to do everything, because it feels like as soon as phone will do, make you shower and cook for you, everything. Like, so word becomes so small, so it's too universal. It's not bad, but I think technology is a little bit killing personality.